Well, good evening. It's GT Morgan Refrigeration, HVAC services. We do heating, ventilation, air conditioning, refrigeration. So a part of our heating, we do water heaters and heaters for rooms. However, just want to show you one of what came out of this heater unit. This is an electric heater for the water. Connect to your shower. There goes the disconnect. There goes the vent valve, inlet, outlet to the hot water pipe, thermostat, hole for the element, thermostat, hole for the element, and these are the elements. These are burnt. If you can look and see right here, you know where there's some thing looking like heater wire that break, and there's another one right here. So these were testing, like one was giving me continuity and one was giving me like open. However, when I put them to run under volts, one was giving me like 0.6 of an amps and one was giving me like 0. So I know that there was a problem. However, this is where we stop for tonight until we acquire and purchase these elements and also this relief valve, because it was dripping. Alright, and this is GT Morgan Refrigeration. Back at you.